I made this a few years ago for my wife. It's a watering can garden decoration. It's just basically a water can with some solar lights in it. We noticed a little while ago that the lights weren't lighting up. I replaced the battery to no avail and then realized that it was the solar panel that was not working. So I ordered another one. And now I'm gonna replace the lights. Here we go. Hey everyone, John here for Boomer Life, not Moo Moo Life. On my privacy blind video, somebody commented that it sounded like I said Moo Moo Life. Now, if I owned a dairy farm, I'd be all over that one. Anyway, welcome to Boomer Life. So I got the this taken down. We'll just cut off the old light. Because yeah, that doesn't look like it's gonna work again. Okay, so got all the lights out. This is garbage. Now, when I made this a couple years ago, I just drilled the holes in here for the right amount of strings there were. And I made them big enough with a drill bit so that they would fit through when I string them through. So I got the idea to make this online. It's basically just a watering can. You put the fairy lights in here, it's solar powered, and it looks like it's pouring water out. What I did was I took this off, drilled the holes in there the right size so that I could thread the lights through. Got some replacement solar powered fairy lights off of Amazon. I'll post the link below. Take these out. And it looks exactly the same as the other one. Let's just hope it's the right amount of lights. Let's see if they work. Oh yeah, pretty blue lights. Okay, how many holes do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's hope we have the same amount of these lights. So yeah, 9 lights. Now, the fun part about threading it is you have to make sure that you go through the watering can first so you can thread it through here. So, get a piece of tape. Gently put it on, make a little arrow, and anyway, stringing it through there didn't work, so what I did is I took a piece of cord. We will go the other way. Stick this down here. Get more black tape. Tie it onto here. And thread it through that way. Perfect. Now you got to thread enough that you need for how far down you want it to look like the water's pouring out. That should be about enough. Now here's the tedious part. You have to take all of these and separate them all from one another, and that takes a while. So here it goes. Boy, they really twist these things up, or I might have twisted it when I was pulling it through. Anyway, they're all untangled. Now the fun part. So now what you gotta do is take each one of these threads and thread it through and find the holes that you drilled. It's better to do the outside ones first, because then the inside ones are easy. Should get my wife to do this. She's way better at threading a needle than I am. There, that one's through. And you gently pull it through here. Almost to the end. Leave about 8 or 9 inches. So at the end, you just slowly pull them all through. Okay, now they're all through there. You slowly pull them one by one at intervals to make this part here shorter. Just be gentle and hope it works. There. I don't think it can hurt to put a little piece of tape right here. Hold it all together. Now you put this in and screw it back on. There's that. Gotta untangle them again. You're always untangling. Put the little stand on here. And then you install it back where it belongs. And there you have it. New solar panel installed. Lights are all in there. And I'm just gonna separate them all. And we'll see how that looks tonight. Thank you for watching, everybody. This was a fun little project. It doesn't take too long, maybe tops an hour. It's mostly untangling the wires. But once it's done, it does look beautiful. Again, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye. And here it is at night, all done.